What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add multiple videos to Instagram story on iPhone. So firstly, launch Instagram, then tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Select story, then tap the drop down menu at the top left. Choose videos. Now tap the select button and choose all the videos you want to include. Tap the arrow in the bottom right corner. Now you can add text, stickers, music, and filters. Tap and hold any text or sticker and drag it to the trash can icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap share, then choose your story, close friends. Your videos will upload in sequence automatically. Each selected video becomes a separate story frame, play back to back for your viewers, creating a smooth, scroll-free experience. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.